Hi, my name is Ruby. Welcome to this awareness of kindness meditation. Let's get started. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift, the shoulders to soften. Today, we will practicing acknowledging the similarity between ourselves and others. Often we focusing on difference, but realizing that even a person who seems very different from us is a fundamental way, just like us, can become the basis of real connections. This including the people we don't know very well, people with whom we are in conflict, or even the people that we see as an enemy. It's possible to develop a sense of compassion and understanding by coming to feel our shared sense of experience as a human being. By becoming to feel our shared sense of experience as a human beings, this practice called Just Like Me can help overcome that sense of difference and distrust by opening channels of compassion. Allow yourself to take a deep breath in and a long deep breath out. And as you breathe out, allowing a sense of releasing any tensions that you are holding in the body. Briefly scan through your body, noticing the sensation or emotions. Invite a sense of spaciousness and acceptance for whatever you are experiencing right now. Now bring someone to the mind that you don't know very well, or you might seem different or distant from you, or even someone that you are a minor conflict with. And as you bring the person to mind, notice if you experience any shift in sensation in your body. Holding this person in mind as if they were in front of you, say to yourself, this person has a body and a mind just like me. This person has feeling, emotions, and thought just like me. This person had at some point of his life or her life has been sad, disappointed, angry, hurt, or confused, just like me. This person has, in his or her life, has experienced physical and emotional pain and suffering, just like me. This person has experienced a moment of peace, joy, and happiness, just like me. This person wishes to have fulfilling relationships, just like me. This person wishes to be happy, healthy, and loved, just like me. Now take a moment to sense how are you feeling. As you hold this person in your awareness, what do you experience? And now, as you hold this person in mind, sending in the good wishes, May them be well. May them be happy. As we move to close, returning your awareness to the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Present, alive, connected, right there, right now. Think of someone who you will meet today, or think of the next person you expect to see today. Take a moment to slightly consider how that person is just like you. For example, you may say to yourself, this person wants to be loved just like me. This person wants to do a good job just like me. Thank you for listening. You can learn more from whatasimpleLife.com. Have a good day.